am a Puppet Boy. Who Am I series. Written by Anita McCormick. Illustrated by Phyllis Green. I come from Italy. My father is Geppetto. Whenever I tell a lie, my nose grows longer. I am a puppet boy. A fairy turns me into a real boy. Who am I? I am Pinocchio.